Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a clean with me, and also I'm showing you guys a new rug that I got for our master bedroom, as well as a new vacuum I got. So I'm really excited to be sharing these things with you guys. So if you're new to my channel, I'd love to have you subscribe. I do all things cleaning, home decor, lifestyle, just a little bit of everything. And I also have 3 dogs, so I'm planning on doing like the top 5 things every dog mom needs. So if you guys would be interested in seeing those kind of videos, then please don't forget to subscribe. Just hit the big red button and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy these kinds of videos. So I hope this can give you a lot of cleaning motivation and just motivate you to get some things done around your house that you've been needing to do. So starting out in the kitchen, I unloaded the dishwasher and reloaded it. We had a lot of dishes to do, and I'm really bad about getting the dishwasher running because I like to wait to run it until it's absolutely full. So this morning, I really needed to get that done. So that's what I was doing, and then I was going to move on and do some other areas of my house. Next, I needed to tackle this mess on my oven. I accidentally broke an egg yolk on the oven, so it was really bad and it took me forever to clean, so I didn't show the whole process. But I need to get a new one of those little razors you can use because my old one was really gross and rusty, so I had to throw it away. But the Method Heavy Duty Degreaser is really good, and I highly recommend it for any kind of stuck on mess, especially on your stovetop. Next, I'm wiping down all my countertops with the Method antibacterial spray. It's just an all-purpose spray, but it smells so good. It's really citrusy and lemony, and I love that kind of smell. And it actually lingers in your house for a few hours after you clean, so your house always smells nice and fresh when people are coming in and out. So I highly recommend that as well. And these cleaning items can be purchased at Target. So now in our bedroom, I'm going to make the bed, and actually I was going to change the sheets. We have flannel sheets on, and I wanted to take those off, wash them, and then put regular sheets back on because it hasn't been that cold here in Tennessee. So I'm taking those off and then remaking the bed. I kind of struggled with the sheet. I put it on wrong. I still do that. I don't know why I'm so bad about that, but these sheets are just from Target. They're just the white ones, and I really like them because I can throw a little bit of bleach in the laundry room if I need to. I don't like to do that, but with dogs, like I said, it's just really easy to make sure your sheets are nice and clean. I finally found some throw pillows that I really like with this bedding. They're from the Hearth and Hand line at Target, and I can link them down below for you guys. But they're really white and gray, kind of. It's like a dark gray. Almost looks black, but it goes really well with our comforter. And so hopefully it will all look good with the rug when I get that in. So that's going to actually be in this video at the end when I get that rug in for our bedroom. So stay tuned to the end if you want to see how that turned out. So something I was so excited to show you guys was I got a Dyson stick vacuum. I had some Christmas money and I was able to use a 20% off coupon at Bed Bath & Beyond, and it has been the best thing I've ever purchased. I don't know why I didn't do it sooner. I can pick up so much dog hair. I don't have to get my big vacuum out. It just snaps on and off. You can put all these different attachments on it. And the only thing is I do have to dump it quite often because it does have a small tank, obviously, but it gets up so much dog hair and stuff that my regular vacuum just wasn't able to pick up. And then also the versatility of it, like you can go under the furniture, I can switch out the attachments very easy, and then it has a docking station, so it can just sit in my laundry room and charge, and then whenever I need it, I just pull it off the docking station and it's ready to go. So I love having it be cordless, and then it just snaps on and off, and I can put all different types of attachments on there. As well as going from a hard floor to the carpet, there's no problem. I don't have to adjust it or anything. And then it has 3 modes. It has like 1 dot, which is just regular power, 2 dots, which is best for carpet, and then boost, which is to pick up like super messy areas, I guess. I haven't really needed the boost mode. And it has 1 hour of battery life without you having to recharge it. So I can do my whole house in under that. So highly recommend it. It does amazing on carpet as well. So I know they're a little more pricey, but I was surprised Bed Bath & Beyond actually let me use a 20% off coupon, and it was already on sale. So I was able to get a really good deal on it, and I think it's so worth it, especially with the attachments. I think I use them all in this video. So the one that you can just put on the couch, that's been very helpful with the dog hair. It's amazing. I know they make other kinds that aren't Dyson, but I wanted to go ahead and get one that I knew would last me for a very long time. So now that the floors are all vacuumed, I'm finally going to steam mop. I know I've been saying in my past like 3 cleaning videos that I was going to steam mop, but it had been raining, and so you can't see it, but there's a lot of muddy paw prints on the floor. So I was going to just run over all the floors with my steam mop, and I'll show you guys what it ended up picking up. It's always amazes me how much like dirt is on my floors that I don't even know. So I love the steam mop. I've said it a million times in so many different videos, but it's so awesome. You can really feel how hot it gets your floors, and you know it's sanitizing them, which just makes me feel so much better. I always steam mop our bedroom just because the dogs lay under the bed, and sometimes if they have an accident or they get sick during the night, I know that my floors are going to be sanitized without just having to throw like a bunch of cleaning products on them. If you guys would like a link to that, I can leave it down below. Got it on Amazon, and it was around $85. So another thing I'm doing in this video is I wanted to show you guys my little Bissell spot bot. I don't know if you've noticed, but there's been like a big spot on this chair, and I wanted to finally clean it and get it off because it was just looking really dingy. And this spot bot is amazing. It's supposed to be the Pro Heat one, and it just cleans any kind of upholstered thing. So I'll use it on my rugs. I've used it on my chairs in my living room, my couch. Aaron's cleaned his truck seats with it, so it's just really versatile. You can use it on pretty much anything, and it really works, and it gets all the stains out. So I've used it on my stairs. Like, I pretty much have used it on anything that has fabric. Alright guys, so excuse my messy room. I just got home from class, and the rug that I ordered from Rugs USA was here. So I wanted to go ahead and include this on this little cleaning video so you guys can see what it looks like. Hopefully it looks good. I will link it down below, but obviously you guys will see me put it out. It's an 8x10, so we'll see how this looks. So I'm going to go ahead and start unwrapping it and rolling it out. guys, so I hope you enjoyed seeing this video. If you think I should get a, like, I don't know if I need like a bed skirt or something to cover up the metal bed frame, let me know. I don't really know what to do. I don't want to get a new bed, but maybe get a bed skirt or some way to cover up the metal bed frame so the rug looks a little more finished off. I don't know. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video gave you some cleaning motivation. Let me know down below what you think about the rug and what I should do with my bed. And just anything else you want to let me know. If you have a Dyson vacuum and you love it, let me know, because I've only had mine like a week, but I'm obsessed. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.